Hello, everybody. Dr. Steve Federico, Director of General Pediatrics at Denver Health, here to give us another update on COVID and our schools. Unfortunately, it's been well documented that the new variant continues to spread around the world, known as Omicron. And I'd like to share a little bit about what we know. And I say a little bit because at this point, we only know a little bit. The number one thing that we know is that it's very, very, very infectious. We give it to each other even easier than Delta. In fact, most experts believe it will replace Delta as the dominant variant in a matter of weeks. What does that mean for us? It means that we will have more cases of COVID because we are able to infect each other so much easier. What we don't know if the cases will be more severe than Delta. We don't know if Omicron makes us more sick or less sick or the same. We are still looking into that, and people are actively studying that as we speak. So far, the initial data are encouraging that it does not seem to make COVID illness worse, but we don't know that yet. We only know that it is more transmissible. The third data point that's really important is how will our vaccines protect us from Omicron? I think it's becoming increasingly clear that we need a booster to be fully protected. I think that the vaccine does protect us, but as our immune system wanes and sort of forgets about the vaccine that we got, somewhere around 6 months, we become less protected. So it's going to be very important now more than ever with this new variant that after 6 months, everybody 16 years old and older go out and get their booster. So go get your boosters, and I think we should be in pretty good shape, but expect more cases of COVID moving forward as a result of this new variant, unfortunately. I'm extremely happy to report that our Denver community continues to step up. As of today, December 14th, we are at about 40% of our 5 to 11-year-olds having received at least one dose, and many of them getting their second doses literally as we speak. That far outpaces the rest of the country and most of the state. So way to go DPS, way to go Denver. We're really proud of our students and our families for stepping up and getting vaccinated. We are hopeful that we will get to somewhere around 60% this spring. So if you haven't gotten vaccinated, I'm here to tell you that nationally, we have vaccinated over 4 million 5 to 11-year-olds. And we are seeing many fewer side effects in this age group than we did with the older kids, most likely because the dose is much smaller. We expect to see many fewer cases in that age group and many fewer quarantine situations in the 5 to 11-year-olds across our elementary schools when we get back to school in January. So way to go, DPS. I think the primary message for our students, our staff, and our families and our DPS community is to get your booster, get your booster. If you haven't been vaccinated, get vaccinated, and then get your booster. Wear your mask when you're outside a controlled environment, meaning outside your house, when you go indoors, when you're around other people. Mask up. Doesn't matter what kind of mask you wear, but wear a mask. Be thoughtful about collections of people. If you're vaccinated, enjoy your family this holiday, but do so thoughtfully. Get your booster, get your booster, get your booster. Thank you, and have a happy holiday. Have a happy break.